My name is Austin Fillmore. Today is my birthday, my 27th birthday. Also, today is the night of the Sinful Nature show. Sinful Nature being the title of my forthcoming sophomore mixtape. It's titled Sinful Nature because I wanted to highlight all the mistakes and the bad things that I've went through to have people further appreciate the realness of the good state that I'm in right now. One of my biggest influences and biggest help is Anthony 12-Tone Thompson. He's my engineer. He's also a producer, but he's the one that's helped me create my sound. My homie David Sandage. He's my roommate. He's my brother. We've known each other since we were 19 years old, and there's really nothing that we haven't been through together. My homie LB, the director. Well, you guys call him LB. I call him Spencer. That's my man. We grew up in church together, so I'm very appreciative for everything that he's done. My big homie Kid Rowe, he's been there for me too, man. We really made a connection musically. One thing that I want to be remembered for is my energy. When I get on the stage, when I perform, when I'm in front of a lot of people, 10 or a million, I want you to feel my energy. I want you to feel everything that I've been through. So, my name is Austin Fillmore, and that's me.
Y'all know what we came here to do? My name is Austin Fillmore, and I appreciate every one of y'all that came out. Make some motherfucking noise! I just wanna have a good time. If you wanna have a good time, get your hands in the air right now. Let's go. I just wanna have a good time. If you living your life right here, put your hands up in the motherfucking air. I just wanna have a good time. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. I just wanna have a good time. I was the nigga that they hated on. Just full of the backseat. Still a social damn up. And if you with it, just say something. When it comes to the games, I don't play nothing. You can check the squad for the fake, but they ain't one. Get interrogated, but they don't say nothing. Below with some girls, can't name one. Dropping heat rocks on the beatbox. No, it won't stop. I don't need a lot. I just need a little bit. Feeling like metal shit, I'm shooting like I never miss. Niggas talking shit, but I can tell they is irrelevant. I'm better than better than. Now tell me what you better with. Just stop, curly hair for the boy, no locks. Fake niggas change faces, Botox. All up in the party with the dance of the dots. Bunch of cool ass niggas, ain't nobody trying to box. Homies from the burbs, homies in the box, homies in the shy, and they know me on the block. I be with my niggas like Wu-Tang. We big money, you loose change. Never been the type to rock two change. Looking like a nigga got two brains. Fake niggas back, niggas looking like toupees. Trying to stay free like Boosie. Every single night I'm on 2K. Even if a nigga got a new stay. No weak zone, ain't no better. You Invisalign niggas told no metal. But I ain't even on that shit. Open up a cold pack, you already know. If you got on clean drawers, make some noise. Let's go. Wait, time out. Y'all some dirty motherfuckers. Get over everything. But get the riches what we focus on. That's a bad habit. But I'm glad I have it. Let's go. Yeah, I know the truth first. But fuck it, let's get paid first. That's a bad habit. We don't give a fuck. Never. We don't give a fuck. I said we don't give a fuck, nigga. We don't give a fuck, nigga. See, I'm addicted to music and I'm addicted to realness. If you ain't talking the truth, my homie, y'all will not feel it. See, y'all was hated on by a bunch of lames. Money on my mental, I can't remember their names, no. I I ain't got no name for them, so I just pray for them. Cause I don't see no purpose in no name for them. If you niggas brainstorm, $1 million check, you should go and put my name on it. Make the game taste the future like I came on it. Let's go, go, God over everything, go, but getting rich is what we focus on. Come on, that's a bad habit. What the real fingers at? But I'm glad I have it. Yeah, I know that you'll be fine. If you don't give a fuck when you're gonna before you let's get paid for it. That's a bad habit. Wait. We don't give a fuck. Nigga, no. We don't give a fuck. I say we don't give a fuck, nigga. No. We don't give a fuck, nigga. My stereo, just leave that shit alone. Oh, you won't suck a nigga dick? Just hold on, you're going home. Born sinner, born winner, cold nigga. Fake fools get thrown out like a cold dinner. See, you gon' all know that name. What that black on wait for it, call that bitch for all day. What does it all mean? Young men dreaming dreams, old men singing visions. I just pray you all listen. And a little bit I need more. Trying to open up all these doors, trying to stay on top of my course. No, I never really had no choice. Just stick to the plan though, never get dismantled. This is your life, you should come and grab a handle. And I mean that, it's not what you take, it's what you bring back. I've had a lot of pain, but I need that. I've done a lot of wrong and I see that. But this is true love, please believe that, please believe that. I know. Yeah, I go round and round, never knowing where I'll end up next. But this is beautiful now, from a beautiful sound. Now don't you love it how I hold you down? Round and round, never knowing where I'll end up next. But this is beautiful now, from a beautiful sound. Now don't you love it how I hold you down? Now don't you love it how I hold you down? Say it out. Now don't you love it how I hold you down? P.O.P. hold it down. So are you blind? Barely. Oh, good though. Everywhere my heart goes, my mind just follows suit. I'm searching around the city for a little bit of truth. Y'all remind me of them niggas that ride around the loop, selling squares for the loose, hoping that they can get a buck or two. I fucks with you if you fucks with me. Just remember, whatever you do on your side, we do it ×3. Man, these girls is after Bayside, trying to impress a nigga by walking around the crib like they hate clothes. I'm like, I got shorts and t-shirts if you need it. No, I've never been defeated. So your heart, you can keep it. If you ain't on the level that I'm on, then get gone. Now don't these speakers feel no good when you playing my song? Tell me really what you know about it. Tell me really what you know about it. Said I got plans for the family, that's why you see I'm around. It's me, this is all that I got. This is blood, sweat, and tears. It's my life in your ears. I got dreams I've been working for. I got plans I've been hurting for. No, right now ain't enough. That's why I've always been chasing more. If you speak against me, you get no place in my heart. That goes for any living human, whether you family or not. You say that I don't give honor, that I'm not thinking logical. Raise me to be a leader, so now go back on what I follow for. That's not me, I always think what I think. But what makes me get respect is cause I practice what I preach. No, I ain't perfect though, never claim to be, and that's no shame to me. Yeah, I curse a bit too much and react to this angrily, but at least I can't admit it while you stuck in that flow. That type of attitude will never give you any room to grow. I don't care about your thoughts, I only care what my son says. On my son's head, I'm chasing bread. Hey, now don't these speakers feel good when they play in my sound? Hey, what you know about? Said I got plans for the family, that's why you
more than these souls. I hate hoes, I'm not gay. I'm heroes to these souls, so you know I don't play. I get played every day. Check your radio waves. Don't get it twisted like the style of my hair. I'm not fazed by the words that you speak. I'm just discovering me. Whether you love me or you hate me, you must respect who I be. I got something to prove. That's why they hate on my moves. Risking all of my dreams. Like I got something to lose. Let's go.
The speakers feel good. Turn my sound. Feel good when you play my sound. Yeah, yeah. Tell me really what you know about it. Everybody, y'all have a great ass night. Have a good evening. Have a great time.
Wait.
What?
Wait, hold on.
What?
Ain't you the artist that everybody said they could trust in, dog?
Yeah, I'm not artist that everybody can trust in.
Ain't you the artist that everybody can trust in, man?
I'm that artist that everybody can trust in.
Good man, why don't you let them know?
I'm gonna have to let them know. If you fuck with me, get your ass upstairs. If you fuck with me, let's go. Let's go.
Influence popular culture on people, and that's why they fuck with me. Only look out for the people that truly got love in their hearts. So trust in me. Fuck with me. You've been in search of a feeling that's real, I suggest that you come with me. Trust in me. Fuck with me. Turn up. Only know what's turn up. That's why they fuck with me. Open to more of the bubbling. This for the people that trust in me. This for the people that trust in me. Fuck with me. Fuck with me. Always on the road trying to break them all. Nigga got me low, all my niggas know. We been chasing dough, never trust a hoe. And they all been trying to get it away. Always on the grind, money on the mind. I've been in the game, you been on the grind. No, we don't really care what you have to say.
Turn this up, baby. Turn it up.
It's for the people that trust me. It's for the people that trust me. Fuck with me, fuck with me.
Hold on. DJ L, turn off. What? Hold on.
Run that shit back, man.
I can't do this if y'all ain't turn.
Hey, run that shit back.
I can't do that unless y'all turn. So if y'all gonna get turned, let's go. Let's go. If you wanna get turned, let's go. Run that shit back.
Influence popular culture, my people, and that's why they fuck with me. Only look out for the people that truly got love in their hearts for me. So trust in me. Fuck with me. You've been in search of a feeling that's real, I suggest that you come with me. Trust in me. Fuck with me. Only the real say whatever they feel, and that's why they fuck with me. Open to more of the bubbly. It's for the people that trust in me. It's for the people that trust in me. Fuck with me. I was on the road tryna break them all. Look, it got me throwed. All my niggas know we been chasing down, never trust a hoe. Man, they out just seem to get in the way. I was on the grind, money on the mind. I've been in the game, you been on the pine. No, we don't really care what you have to say. Me and my niggas got Gito. Tone got that killing, it's lethal. You will never be our equal. You fly it at most and I'm flying in all. Call up my niggas, they all down the ball. They say that something.